If you look closely, you can clearly see how I play with depth. The deeper I go, the darker the line becomes. The more carefully I work, the lighter I can tattoo it. That takes a bit of practice. But of course, you can also use a lighter gray tone if you're not confident yet. For a long time, I told myself that I wasn't good at tattooing noses. But now I actually enjoy it, and here's why. A nose has a very complex shape, but looks quite simple at first glance. I think I underestimated that in the past. In the end, you really have to take your time with a nose and place every shadow carefully for it to look good. You'll see, if you take the necessary time and apply every shading as precisely as possible, you'll end up with a beautiful nose. Switch back to the 7-round liner. Thanks to the solid groundwork I laid around the eye with the 3-round liner, it's now very easy to finish the eye with a slightly thicker needle. If you compare the left and right eyes now, you'll see a huge difference. I think this example shows clearly how important it is to follow a consistent system. Now I use a 15 soft edge Magnum. I adjust the machine accordingly. Since the right side of the face has a relatively large shaded area, this needle is perfect. Imagine having to do that with a 9 soft edge Magnum. It would be much more tedious. With a larger needle, I can quickly achieve beautifully soft shading. Even the whites of the eyes need a light shadow, since they're in the shadow of the eyelid. A little white makes the lips instantly look fuller and more realistic. Together with my brother, I created a tattoo shading course where I reveal all my secrets and show you exactly how to tattoo these 2 portraits. I've also added a very beginner-friendly portrait, which is perfect for getting started with tattooing and learning shading techniques. The original language is English, and these 7 languages are included as subtitles. Everything is beginner-friendly, and I leave no questions unanswered. When you purchase the course, you only pay once. It's not a monthly subscription. Future videos are included, and you'll have lifetime access.